Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video, I'm going to learn about conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting allows us to apply colors, icons, or bars to cells based on their values. This helps quickly analyze trends, patterns, and outliers without needing to sort or filter the data. As you can see here, we have a table which contains 5 names, the department of each employee, the sales achieved for a given month, and the target of each employee. So our first task will be to highlight sales over target of each individual. So what we are going to do first, we are going to select the different cells. We go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, and here we put our formula. So use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here we put equals to the first cell, it will be D3, greater or equal to E3. We need to put it in green. OK, and we click on OK. So as you can see, we have only 2 persons achieved the sales target, which are Bob and Diana, whereas the others, they didn't achieve the target, which is $10,000. And to clear this formatting, we need to select the column, Home, Conditional Formatting, clear rules from entire sheet. All right, the second example, it will be to create a gradient. Okay, so to do that, the same thing, we select the cells, Home, Conditional Formatting, color scales, and here we need to choose, for example, green, yellow, red. So you can see it creates a gradient from red to green, where green shows high sales and red shows low. Same thing, if you want to clear the formatting, we click on clear rules from entire sheet. Next, for example, if we want to select top 10 performers, so same thing, we select all the cells, Home, Conditional Formatting, we click on top 10%, and here we need to choose a color. For example, we need to select green. Okay, and here we have only Diana, which is in the top 10 performers. Another example, it will be to select the different values above the target using arrows. Same thing, we clear everything. We click on Conditional Formatting, and here we have icons sets. For example, if we use the 3 arrows, as you can see here, we can put this on the right side. So we have the values which are greater than 10,000, they are in green, whereas the smaller values, they are in the down red arrow. So as you can see, conditional formatting allows us to highlight the different cells or the different values that we want depending on a given target or a given list. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.